Okay.
So that's the porch. Yeah, and go to the right. I'm gonna show you porch apartment number 1.
Okay.
So that's 1. This is the living room you're in. You walk in the back there. That's the kitchen, of course.
Okay.
Where the cans are. This is the bathroom.
Okay.
Take time, Dave.
Okay.
That's the bathroom for the unit, same unit number 1, of course.
Okay.
And this is the bedroom, the 1 bedroom.
Okay. So 1 bedroom. Okay.
Yeah, 1 bedroom. Okay, let's walk across the hallway.
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay.
So this is the
This will be the kitchen.
this is a bed. No, actually, Dave. This is like a little bedroom / living room, what you want to call it. Living room, bedroom. See, this is 1 unit. This door right here, Dave. This is actually all 1 unit. So come on back this way. Normally, what you would do is walk in your unit from the hallway, and you have this room, that room, and there's another room. So this is all 1. This is number 2.
Okay,
right? But I cut it up and made it into 2 little rooms while I was renting it out.
Okay.
So that's why you see that there. So now this is the back. This is the bathroom to it. So basically, that what I was saying to you is that this is the kitchen, right?
Okay.
So you walk in the hallway, and you walk in your bedroom, whatever you want to call it, bedroom or living room. And then this is another room, and this is the kitchen. So this is unit or
Unit
2.
2.
2, because we just came out of 1.
Okay.
Right? So this is all really 1 unit. But see, what I did is cut this in the room section, as you can see.
Okay.
Yeah. So now that's my little operation right back there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you own all of this right here, right?
Well,
or no?
Yeah, you just going to step out for a sec.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Dave. Yeah. So see, what I did was I did. Only one in the building. I live in the attic. Who I told you I was going to move, but they said something to me that made me say I don't want to deal with you.
Right.
They actually had a bad roach infestation. That's Terrell. This is my man Dave. I tell you about. So same situation.
So this is a bedroom.
So this is the kitchen. Same thing.
Living room.
Little room. And then you walk over here. Remember I told you I cut it up into little rooms?
Right.
So this is really 1 whole unit right here.
Okay, this is 1 whole unit.
Yeah,
okay.
exactly. Right.
Okay.
See the bedroom right, or whatever you want to call it. Then you got the part right here, the room. And then you walk through there and walk into your kitchen or whatever you want to.
Right.
And then the kitchen's way in the back.
How you doing, Terrell?
This is Terrell. So this is with
All right.
got this brother Dave.
I'm just going to take a little video.
Yeah. So like you said, that's the kitchen back here. Same dynamic.
Okay, right.
Yeah, kitchen, pretty much. Okay. Kitchen,
bathroom.
And then now this one I made. It was 1 bedroom too, but I made it into 2. So
Okay.
there's a little bedroom back there.
Okay.
And there's a bedroom back there. So these are small little rooms, you know. Yep. I had a fire in here, so we did some drop ceiling, 4 meters.
Great. And it's the attic.
Yeah, this is the attic. This is the one right here that was living there. I had to tell them now that again, they know it's the vacant.
Right.
So this is Now I put a little bathroom in here. So
the attic could be another apartment too.
I was renting out of the apartment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, stand up shower, toilet, zinc. Yeah.
Oh.
I was renting this out. Yeah. This is so you can definitely.